and I'm on inspection to be sure that your shops are all open. Every Monday, every shop must be open. On Mondays, everybody in the main market must be open. I came to see how it is going. We are bringing security to make sure that everybody has adequate security. In a match every Monday. Ndị kwesịrị ibi ịzụ afịa on Monday jebe ebe ọzọ nwobere oge na dị na-asọ nwa ozugbo ife anyị na-eme onye ka ị na-asala aka na nwa ife ị na-eme mana ọ gị mechiri ya na ọ gị kọsụrụ ya. This is unacceptable. I'll be here again every Monday. We'll be back here. Anytime, any shop that is not open will be sealed and will never be open again for that week. Even at the point, if you are not open, we'll seal you for 1 month. You won't open. Was it is ready to open? Was it ready to open? You open from Monday through to Saturday. All the shops, if you want to trade around here, all the shops must be open Monday to Saturday. So if you have a shop and you can't open it on Mondays, then keep it locked for the rest of the week. Are you with me? And we're going to enforce this. If it's a plaza, you lock it up on Monday, then you will not be able to open it for the week. Are you getting me?
That causing commotion rather. Do you think that is right or is safe for the people of Anambra to come out on that Monday? Do you think it is right?
No, Soludo is very wrong. He's wrong in the sense that Soludo should have allowed his wife, his daughters, his immediate family members that are trading at Onitsha, that are trading at Nkwandewi, Oka and other places or commercial cities in Anambra State to come out first and open their shops, ranging from his wife. Okay? Soludo is getting it wrong, trying to jeopardize the lives of the Anambra. Sit-at-home observation is being at least active across southeastern Nigeria every Monday, Tuesday, even if you ask me, Wednesday. A governor that actually tried what Soludo has come lately to do is Peter Mba of Enugu State. Peter Mba of Enugu State thinks that it's only when you have big head, they are going to call you headmaster, when your head is big. And it's only when you have a Akwobi, that is when you are full of muscle, a muscular man. The people will say, hey, look at this man, he has arrived. Odogu. Odogu is not by Akwobi or by muscle. But if you want to showcase yourself in Anambra State, during all these sit-at-home observation days, you should start from your immediate family, your wife, your daughters, your nephews, and so on and so forth. They should come and open their business first. If they could excel opening their business within 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, then other people should come out. And you, as a governor, should be a vigilator, an inspector. You should be in the commercial, those plaza venue, started talking and addressing them that there is security and peace. That is when people could actually, understand you, what you are doing. I don't know what to understand. So where I'm going is that there are governors that actually tried that in the past and they failed woefully. When they started this sit-at-home order, we know actually what transpired. When one Mohammed Gulag left northern state of Nigeria, traveled down to southeast to meet Hope Uzodinma, why didn't Hope tell that man that so thing is being observed in Imo states, across Igbo land? Everybody know actually what went on, how that man just, was demised by unknown persons. If a community of people, if a whole state, a whole race are setting aside one day for an observation of a particular event, just to say no to government, to say no to government policies, I think it should be kept, it should be maintained, it should be respected. The reason why Igbos are sitting at home Monday, Tuesday is because of what happened to nnamdikanu, a man that has virtually won all the crimes, cases, how many counts leveled against him, is still today dying in incarceration. He was put in jail by federal actors, key actors of the this current administration and nnamdikanu is still their languishing. And the only way the Igbo youths, the Igbo supporters, the Biafrans, the Igbo race are saying no to how the policy of federal government of Fulani is by staying at home as a boycott every Monday and Tuesday. And now most of these southeastern governors are trying to fault it. You, Soludo, that is giving them order to come out that day and transact. Why not you yourself coming out, telling your wife to go to the plaza and open her shop? You have kinsmen, you have immediate family members who are trading as well. Now you are calling these people out to come. Why not go there and inspect, go to the venue where these plazas, you know, are situated. Go there and address them. Keep your security, what? Personnel on alert. I don't know what I understand. That is where you could effectively implement it. Not giving order and you go inside your house. Your wife inside the house. Well protected and fortified by federal forces. And we are trying to subject the entire Igbo traders to this kind of perility. If you ask me, anybody that goes out that day is on his own. Oga life is something so special, so sacrosanct and sacred. You shouldn't toy with life because life is one, very expensive and should be respected. If you ask me if I'm in Igbo land, I don't even support anybody, my family members going to market that day. I'm speaking from the perspective of my own opinion. Yeah. I don't go out that day. I won't go. My brothers, my sisters shouldn't go. Let Charles Soludo, first of all, allow his wife to go and open her shop that day. But do you think someone that matters most to him, I mean his immediate family members, to fault sit-at-home order.
But do you think if you provide security, do you think people should come out if you provide adequate security?
Thank you so much. Now you are talking. It should provide adequate security. That's a very good question. I love that. It should provide adequate security for Igbo traders across Anambra State. It is a welcome idea. So that nobody will take, sit at home as escorts to disrupt public peace that day. Yes, that's a good suggestion. I love that. What South Soludo should do right now is to secure the entire land of Anambra State that day. Newi, Oka, Mbuka, Obunike, Mbuka, Onitsha, Mbuka, Mpo, everywhere, Onitsha markets, everywhere in Anambra State, Aguleri axis, Okuzu axis, Achala, Oka, everywhere should be absolutely secured, at least by the governor. That is when we know that there will be what? Peace and harmony comes next week, Monday and Tuesday. It's not by just issuing an order, prevailing on the traders to come out that day without giving them adequate security. It's very dangerous to falter or to violate sit-at-home order or observation in Anambra State. If you ask me, very dangerous.
But do you not think ekpa will counter this?
I don't know. ekpa I see is a man in Finland that is trying to at least agitate for self-determination to make sure that Biafra emancipation is a sure thing. He's been doing it over and over again. He was doing it many years back, and we are here today, 2024. ekpa is still being very, very resilient, persistently issuing sit-at-home order. I think is doing it to make sure that nnamdikanu is free, to make sure that referendum is given to Biafran people for peace to reign in Nigeria nation. I don't see what ekpa is doing as a crime. American Congress, they are the lawmakers we have in the USA. They are discussing it since last week. Why nnamdikanu is supposed to be out? Why Simon Ekpa should be allowed doing what he knows how to do best? They don't violate anybody. They did not commit any treasonable felony. They have not committed crime. And I see what the US Congress are saying as writing. Nobody has destroyed anything. Nobody has actually violated anybody sitting at home. I think it's a way of protesting against government hard policy. Nobody has violated anything. And I'm seeing Nigerian state as a place where due process and lawful, policies that are very, very friendly to the people are not being carried out, but always hard policies, stringent government policies is going on in Nigerian state.
Do sample for that seat at home. But first of all, use his brothers and sisters and family. Maybe he's the one that's going to guide them on that side that sit at home on Monday. He should come out and guide them. I guide those people that he said he has to come out. He has to come out and open their shops. This enemy that we are talking about, the betrayers that we are talking about in this part of the country, they are the betrayers. They are the betrayers that we are talking about in that part of the country. Those governors, they are the betrayer. So let me tell you, whether current or son, what we are fighting for will stand. What nnamdikanu is fighting for, it will stand. What Samuel Ekpa is fighting, it's a fact. It's fact. I know many of them will not take it, will not go with it. They will not happy with it because they are okay with their families. They are eating under the government. They don't care what their people are passing through under Nigeria. They don't care. Whether Igbos are suffering in this country, they don't care. Because they are okay with Nigeria. Everything is free for them and their family.
Okay, good morning. Okay, we've seen Soludo come and say that anybody that doesn't open his shop on Mondays should know that should be ready to forfeit his shop, in Anambra State. And I said, ekpa, but once ekpa be coming out to give sit at home, that people should come out on Mondays and do their business. Do you not think the life of the citizens of Anambra is at stake if they come out? That is, if the Biafra Liberation Army sees them, do you not think it's risky for them to come out on Monday when they sit at home?
Thank you very much, my brother. And let me appreciate our viewers first. Everybody, I pray for you. May God bless you. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, and good evening. May God bless you and bless your hand job also, and bless your family. Show you the right track to succeed in life. Not like devilish way, like Nigeria. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Soludo, as a governor of Anambra State, that's where I come from. He should use his sisters and brothers to do example. That's sit at home at Monday. Every Monday. He should start from his brothers and his sisters. His family. He start from them. To do example. That's why I tell you that. I tell them that we have these enemies. These governors. They are not dancing our own tools. They are not dancing for the Igbos. They are not dancing for Fulanis. Because they want to get there. They want to, become like Fulanis. They are servant to Fulanis. I have said it several times. Does it mean that the cost that Samuel Ekpa is fighting for it's a wrong cause? Does it mean that is a wrong cause? That's not a right cause. Those are the enemy that we have. That's the Nigerian Biafra war. We still have them. Those Judas that betrayed Biafra, that betrayed Ojuku. The team Chukwu make out the Mego Ojuku. They came by now. We still have them. Those that betrayed that Biafra war. This is the people that betray my own people, that betray nnamdikanu, that betray Samuel Ekpa, that put nnamdikanu under what it is today. The condition that nnamdikanu is today is so called those wicked governors that we have in the southern east of the country. What they are fighting for is the right of the ambassador, the right of Biafra, the right of Igbos. Nigeria see Igbos as worst enemy. It's time that we allow the Igbos to go, so that I believe if Igbo leave Nigeria will be better. I think they will live in well. Because they see Igbos as a worst enemy. That's why Nigeria look at Igbos. They see Igbos as worst enemy. They should allow the enemy to leave them alone. They should allow the enemy to leave. Yes, they come out and say they want to go. Of course, you have told them they should go. The President have come out and said, go. Of course, Igbo want it. They have become only for this for years. That they want to leave this devilish country called Nigeria. I think if Igbo man leave Nigeria today, I think Yorubas and the Hausa they will reason together. As I said, they are Nigerians. They are Nigeria. So that's the Judas we are talking about. Those governors, they are not there for the common man. They are not there for the common Igbos. They are not there for their selfish interest. So that's for Fulanis. For that, for the Yorubas, that's what they are. So that they can begin there. They can reach there. You can see how Wike is dancing today. He plays his policy, he plays his game. He come against the people. He could take Obi mandate, give it to APC. That is why he's there now. He's happy. He's happy with them today. That's what those ones. That's what they're fighting for. Omar Hinko. They have given his own appointment. That's what they're fighting for. They're not fighting for their common people. For their own people. There's the people that don't want Igbo, the Israelites to grow. Igbo land to grow. That's why if you go Igbo land, you will see how Igbo land does not, it cannot be like Nigeria. The Igbo land don't want Nigeria. They don't be like the Igbo land, it does not, circulate and build like Nigeria. I mean, the west and the north. That's why if you go to the east, you cannot see International Airport. You cannot see the seaport. But Igbo man is a major importer in this country. So they are happy how their people are suffering. Go over there and sweat. Sweat to bring the goods here. The goods must land in Lagos. You will not have to come in Lagos. They might have, supposed to subdue you and draw your pocket before you can be able to clear your goods in Lagos here. What of the East? Can't you import goods to East? From overseas to East direct. I go clearing goods on your land. They make it to suppress that land. To make sure that land does not grow. That's why you can see our governor serving them. That's why they don't pray. They are joining the Fulanis and the Yorubas to pray against their people. That's why the land does not grow like in Nigeria. That's why the federal government of Nigeria could not remember. Only the road. Only one road that people might use to travel to inland. Look at how federal government abandoned that land. That road. Only road to connect to east. Of course, you used to hear news about that road because of it's an Igbo. Igbo that's making use of that road. Federal government come back to that road. But if you come to the west and the north, Chapani, they will make sure that put it in order. They put the road in order. Only highway, the major road that Igbo man used to travel to land because of it, you need to east, you need to Igbo land. They turn back against that road because they know that the Igbos are major travelers. They are major marketers. They abandon that road. Go to east, no single thing. The federal government has done the east in some part of the country. So that our governors are happy. No, the street at home that he has busting on my people. That you go, if they do not come, if they do not open shop, if they don't use their brothers and sisters and do a sample, or they sit at home among them. Therefore, first, stand for their brothers, stand for their family. Because of course they are happy, because they are okay. Their pocket is okay, their family is okay. They are eating well in other Nigeria. Because they are into power. They are mix of power. So what their people are passing through, they don't care. What their people are passing through in the hand of Nigeria, they don't care. Whether things are going on, that is part of the country, they don't care. But to use their brothers and sisters, they use it to do sample for that seat at home. But first of all, use his brothers and sisters and family. Maybe he's the one that's going to guide them. understand that sit at home on Monday. He should come out and guide them. I guide those people that he said he has to come out. He has to come out to open their shops. This enemy that we are talking about, the betrayers that we are talking about in this part of the country, they are the betrayers. They are the betrayers that we are talking about in that part of the country. Those governors, they are the betrayer. So let me tell you, whether current or son, what we are fighting for will stand. What nnamdikanu is fighting for, it will stand. What Samuel Ekpa is fighting, it's a fact. It's fact. I know many of them will not take it, will not go with it. They will not happy with it because they are okay with their families. They are eating under the government. They don't care what their people are passing through under Nigeria. They don't care. Whether Igbos are suffering in this country, they don't care. Because they're okay with Nigeria. Everything is free for them and their family. What of their brothers and sisters? What of their land they are coming? The land that they, that breed them, the land that they come from. What of that land? Can they be able to build that land up to standard? That Igbo man, someone will travel and forget where they come from. Can they be able to achieve those kind of things? That makes some of Igbos forget where they come from. So let me tell you, we cannot continue this evil politics with all those so-called governors in the southeastern part of the country, or the so-called senators. We cannot continue with them. Enough is enough. What we are fighting for is where we stand. It's what we stand for. On Biafra we stand. Long live Biafra. Long live Samuel Ekpa. Long live nnamdikanu. Long live Alesoti. And long live on Biafras.
No Soludo or Uzodima or Mputamba.
How can I join them? They are the enemy that we have in that land. How can I join them? Their wish is Nigerian wish. Their wish is not Biafra wish. Their wish is not Biafra wish. Their wish is the Nigerian wish. They are dancing for Nigeria and the Fulani and Yorubas. That's what they are dancing for. That is it. So I cannot buy that kind of that kind of music. I'm not with that kind of music. I can never belong with them. On Biafra we stand by His grace. We cannot continue to be slavery in this devilish country called Nigeria. No, we have served them enough. They should come and serve us. We have served them several years. They should come and serve us. And taste this. Know how it's sweet.